Your guide to AC repair in Coral Spring. Feeling the heat in Coral Springs, FL. Welcome to your ultimate sources of for valuable insight into home maintenance. In this informative videos, we are diving deep into the world of AC repair in Coral Spring. If you are sweltering under the fluoride sun, where got you covered with essential types to keep you cool. Let's restore your comfort together. Hi there, Coral Spring residents. Join us. We explore the ins and outs of AC repair services tolerated to your beautiful city, from tackling the notorious fluorides, humidity to ensuring your system runs efficiently. We are here to help you beat the heat. Navigate the unique challenges of AC maintenance is Coral Spring will discuss common issues that areas due to the region's climate, such as glow gut filters, refrigerators, leaks, and thermostat malfunction. Get ready to identify these problems and take action to restore your AC performance. Discover the importance of timely AC repairs. While explain how even minor issues can escalate the case. Major breakdowns, if left unattended. Learn to recognize the warning sign that your AC system might be struggling and it need to professional attention. And we will the secrets of finding reliable AC repair services is Coral Spring will guide you through the process of researching and selecting reputable HVAC technicians how can diagnose problem accurately and provide effective solution. Learn about preventative maintenance to extend your AC until lifespan. Well, share expert tips on simple tasks you can perform regularly to keep your system running smoothly. From cleaning cools to checking refrigerators level. Be part of our community of homeowners how value comfort and efficiency. Hit that likes button if you are ready to ensure your AC system is ready to handle the fluoride hit. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home maintenance advice, energy saving tips, and HVAC insight. Whether you are seeking refuge from the summer sun or aiming for year-round indoor comfort, understanding AC repair in Coral Spring is essential. By the end of the video, you will have the knowledge to maintain your AC system effectively and join a consistent, comfortable home environment.